We have upgraded the Tidexcell system for the bioprocessing industry. The FDA-listed Gentle Giant bioreactor is designed and manufactured in compliance with cGMP guidelines. The closed, automated Tidexcell system is available either with disposable components for single-use application or glass or stainless steel components for multiple-use application. Central to the system's control is the Siemens HMI PLC monitoring system that can be connected to SCADA systems that have Delta V, PCS7, Wonderware, or Mitsubishi controls. Optional dual redundant systems for critical components such as PLC, pumps, PHDO sensors between the matrix and mixing vessel are also catered. Built with quality by design features, the separation of the matrix and the mixing vessel permits dual temperature control process and 100% media exchange for producing higher virus titer or cell yield. Cells are seeded and attached to the BioNOC2 macro carriers or matrix cassette, which allow a large surface area for adherent cell growth and expansion in three-dimensional configuration. These two seeding configurations make it flexible for high product yield applications such as stem cells, exosomes, lentivirus, adeno-associated viral vector production, vaccines, recombinant proteins, and more. The Tide Motion principle in the bioreactor boosts the scalability and productivity feature of the Tidexcell system. The cells attached to the carrier are exposed to air as the culture medium goes down during the aeration phase. Conversely, nutrients are taken up by the cells as the culture medium goes up during the nutrition phase. The system is integrated with industrial-grade peristaltic pumps for feed, harvest, and the proprietary 100% media exchange. 100% media exchange allows 100% media harvest to feed 100% fresh culture media, even changing into a different type of media for viral growth. This is a unique advantage of Tide that makes viral titer, in some cases, higher in adherent. Monitoring cells is quite a daunting task in packed bed bioreactors, but with Tidexcell everything is made easy. The closed system sampling port enables sampling for cell observation, and the needleless sampling port for glucose monitoring without having the need to open up the system. The number of closed system sampling ports depend on the scale of the matrix vessel being used. Real-time pH levels are measured using Mettler-Toledo pH sensors. The DO probe obtains real-time dissolved oxygen in the system. To meet the closed automated demand of the users for obtaining cells, Tidexcell is equipped with its own Tidexcell harvesting system that follows the same conventional harvesting method with an efficiency of more than 90%. Tidexcell is a gentle Tide Motion bioreactor that breaks adherent scalability issues from pilot scale to commercial manufacturing scale. This bioreactor represents an exceptionally suitable system for a powerful adherent culture bioprocessing. View the entire portfolio and turnkey solutions on our website. To engage a technical consultant, please email us at mail@escoasta.com.